back on Climax DTH YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about the second chapter of class 10th, that means polynomial. Mainly we cover the following topics or following parts of the polynomial, in which first part is identification. That means how we identify that given mathematical problem is related to polynomial, or that expression that is polynomial. After that, in this part we discuss about the definitions, types of, that means two topics more, coefficient and degree. Third is types of polynomial. Third is types of polynomial on the basis of coefficient as well as degree. After that, we read about, in second part, we read about concepts of zero. Concept of zero. Concept of zeros. And in this topic we discuss about how we find the zeros of the polynomial or quadratic polynomial. How methods to find zeros of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And at last, that means third topic is third topics, that means part 1. In part 1 we discuss about that topics. After that, part 2, in which we discuss about that topics, and finally last topic, that means zeros. Find remaining zeros of cubic and biquadratic polynomial. Clear? This is chapter 2 of class 10th, or chapter 2 in class 9th also. This topic also, that means related to class 9th, and more about that means concept of zeros, and find the zeros of the cubic and biquadratic polynomial we have to read in class 10. So firstly we discuss about the part 1, and after that we discuss about part 2 and part 3. Today we are going to discuss about the part 1. Firstly, we understand the name, meaning of the name of the chapter, that means polynomial. Polynomial is combination or made up by the two terms, that means poly, which is Greek word, and that means more than one. More than one, and nomial means term, and second term is, and second part is nomial means terms. Clear? That means more than one terms combined then form polynomial. That means polynomial does not completely explain about the concept of polynomial, and that means if we write 2x plus 5, secondly 2 root x plus 5, then I say that is polynomial and that is not polynomial. How we know that? That means definition is more than one term. First term means second term, first term, second term. Both, that means algebraic expression consists of two terms, but I say that first term is polynomial but second term is not polynomial. So firstly we have to understand which types of algebraic expression is known as polynomial. So we clear it with the help of definition. In definition, that means definitions of polynomial is an algebraic expression with the an algebraic expression in the form of a0 a1 x की पावर 1 प्लस a2 x to the power 2 प्लस डैश डैश an x to the power n. That means our algebraic expression in the form of a0, a0, a1 x to the power 1, a2 x to the power 2, dash dash an x to the power n. But there are conditions. That means where a1, a0, a1, a2, b dash dash an belongs to a real number, as well as, and that means 1, 2, 3, that means up to n, that means degree or power belongs to whole number, or simply we write it as W. Simply we write whole number. Is known as polynomial. यानी the algebraic expression in the form of a0, a1 x to the power 1, a2 x to the power 2 plus dash dash an x to the power n, where a0, a1, a2, that means coefficient, these yani a0, a1, a2 are called coefficient. We discuss after some time. That means a0, a1, a2, a3 and an are real number or belongs to. That means this sign, that signs means we use these signs in class 11th in chapter set theory. This signs means belongs to. That means a1, a2 are real number and a2, 1, 2, dash dash up to n belongs to whole number. That means power will be only whole number. For example, we take 2x to the power 5 plus 7x square plus 2x plus 3, then we clearly here that means this term, that means 2, 7, 2, 3, these are real number, that means any number, that means fraction, decimal, root numbers, square root number, cube root numbers, any numbers will be conditional, that means satisfy the conditions or definitions of the polynomial. But we have to only concentrate on the power, that means 1, 2, 3, that means power of the polynomial. These are the power. That means if power of each term of the polynomial, that means power is 5 to 1. Power of each term of the polynomial is whole number, then we clearly say that the given expression is a polynomial. Here 5 is whole number, 3 is whole number, 1 is whole number, then that algebraic expression is polynomial. Firstly, we clearly, that means many times we repeat the term whole number. So what is whole number? So whole number, clearly we understand that whole number are the number with starting with 0 and after that positive counting number. And all positive counting number together with 0 is known as whole number. That means whole number, natural number, included the 0 and natural number both are combinedly known as whole number. 0 are the smallest whole number, and one thing to remember that 0 neither be positive or nor be negative. Second example, 3x to the power 5 plus 7x plus 2. We clearly see that 5, 1 are, that means we also write 2 add 2x to the power 0 or 2x no. So that means clearly we understand that 0, 1, 5 are the whole numbers, so given expression is polynomial. Third example is 3x to the power 3 plus 5 by x. Does a given expression is polynomial or not? So we clearly understand or rewriting these equations, then we see that 3x to the power 3 plus 5, we did in exponents and power of class 9th and as well as 8. If that means x to the power 1, if we send it to the numerator, that means it becomes x to the power minus 1. So x power is 3 and minus 1. Does minus 1 is a whole number? No, that means minus 1 is not whole number. So these polynomials are not, these algebraic expressions are not polynomial. Similarly, if we take another example, 3x plus 5 root x, that means root denotes power, and power means x to the power 1 by 2. रूट मीन्स क्या होता है? डिग्री में पावर या पावर में कितना, तो 1 by 2 होता है. तो यह जो हो गया वो क्या हो गया 1 by 2. होल नंबर्स नहीं होते हैं, इसलिए क्या हुआ, पोलिनोमियल. एक नेक्स्ट है, वी टेक नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल such that firstly you think that these are polynomial or not. 2x plus 5 4 x square root over 4x square. These are polynomial or not? These are any polynomial. You think that why that algebraic expression is polynomial here? That means root. But we say that I say that these are the polynomial. So first resolve it or rewrite it. So 2x plus, when we find the root of the given polynomial, that means given term, root over 4x square, then we are able to find the any root of the. That means here we see that degree of the polynomial, yeah, power of the polynomial is 1. So we clearly understand or clearly says that algebraic expression is a polynomial. Next we have to discuss about the two terms, that means coefficient as well as degree. Firstly, we understand the degree. Degree जो है, that means highest power of a polynomial. Highest power of a polynomial is known as degree. That means highest power of a polynomial is known as degree. For example, if we write 2x square plus 3x to the power 5 plus 7x, then power is, that means 2, 5 and 1. Highest power is 5, that means degree of that polynomial, degree is 5. Clear? Second, and if we take second example, that means 3x to the power 5 plus minus 7x to the power 7 plus 2x to the power 10, then we clearly say that 5 are the power, 7 are the power and 10 are the power, and highest power is 10, so degree is 10. On the basis of degree, there are some types of polynomial. Types of polynomial. Polynomial on the basis of degree. Types of polynomial on the basis of degree, यानी basis of degree पे हम लोग types of polynomial को अंडरस्टैंड करने का और उसको समझने का प्रयास करें। तो टाइप्स ऑफ पोलिनोमियल की हम लोग बात करेंगे तो दो कॉलम में इसको डिवाइड कर लेते हैं। एक हो गया आपको डिग्री एंड सेकेंड हो जाएगा आपको नेम ऑफ पोलिनोमियल, यानी पोलिनोमियल। क्लियर? यानी इफ डिग्री इज 0, if degree is 0, then polynomial is known as constant polynomial. You clearly understand with the help of name, that means what is constant polynomial. That means if we write any number, examples, if we write any number, that means 2, 5, minus 3, minus 5 by 2, these are the zeros polynomial, या zero polynomial, या constant polynomial. After that, if degree is 1, then it is linear polynomial. Means x plus 5, y, z minus 3, 3z, these are the linear polynomial. That means power of the variables are 1. Power of the variables are 1. That means degree of the variables, the degree of the polynomial is 1. So that means given expression is a linear polynomial. After that, degree 2, that means quadratic equation. Sorry, quadratic polynomial. Clear? That means quadratic polynomial. Degree 2 polynomial, x square plus 5, y square plus 2y plus 5. फिर आप clearly and we write only, that means z square. These are the example of quadratic polynomial. We separately discuss about all these types. Then we clearly understand. After that, if degree 3, then polynomial is cubic polynomial. Means x to the power 3 plus 5, y to the power 3 plus 7x, y to the power 5 plus x to the power 7 plus x to the power 3. That means we clearly see that these are the highest degree, highest power of the polynomial is 3. So these polynomials are cubic polynomial. And at last, fourth, that means biquadratic polynomial. Means x to the power 4 plus 5x plus 7 and so on. That means many examples. X to the power 3 plus 2x to the power 4. That means degree of the polynomial is, if degree of the polynomial is 4, then that polynomial is known as biquadratic polynomial. We clearly understand that if degree of polynomial is 0, that is constant polynomial, 1 linear polynomial, 2 quadratic polynomial, 3 cubic polynomial, and 4 biquadratic polynomial. But we cannot say that there are 5 types of polynomial. There are many types of polynomial on the basis of degree. That means 5 degree quantic, 6 degree sextic. That means many types of the polynomial. But we have only discussed about these. That means 5 types, mainly 4 types. That means degree 1, degree 2, degree 3, and degree 4 polynomial in class 10th. Now shortly we discuss about the types of polynomial. First is linear polynomial. Its standard form is ax plus b, where a and b, where a, b belongs to a real number, that means r, where a and b belongs to a real number. After that, second point is number of zeros. Number of zeros of linear polynomial, a number of zeros equals to 1. नंबर ऑफ जीरोज कितने होते हैं? 1 होते हैं. दैट मींस एक ही जीरोज आपको लिनियर पोलिनोमियल में होते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वी टेक अ लिनियर एग्जांपल ऑफ लिनियर पोलिनोमियल 2x plus 5. दिस टाइप्स ऑफ पोलिनोमियल is discussed in class 9th. We have to find the zeros. Then solution for zeros. Whenever you want to find the zeros, then px must be equals to 0. That means 2x plus 5 equals to 0. Means 2x equals to minus 5, x equals to minus 5 by 2. That means x equals to minus 5 by 2. Hence minus 5 by 2 are zero of polynomial. That means that given polynomial. We clearly say that linear polynomial have only one zero. Linear polynomial have only one zero. Next point is degree of polynomial. The degree of linear polynomial is 1. That means degree of linear polynomial is 1. That means maximum power of a polynomial is 1. Then that polynomial is known as linear polynomial. We discussed it previous. Next point is graph of polynomial. That means linear polynomial. Its graph is line graph. graph is line graph. That means linear polynomial is represented by a line graph. That means a straight line. This may be, that means these are the first polynomial and second polynomial, but it is sure and certain that all polynomial, that means all linear polynomial is represented with the help of a line graph or linear graph. These are the some points important for linear polynomial or important towards the linear polynomials. Next point is quadratic polynomial. Next point is quadratic polynomial. Next point is quadratic polynomial. Here we can clearly understand that quadratic means degree 2 polynomials. The standard form is ax square plus bx plus c. That means power 2 polynomial. A, b and c are a, b, c belongs to a, b, c belongs to a real number. That means a, b, c are a real number. A standard form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Its number of zeros. Number of zeros is 2. And after that, degree of a polynomial. Degree is also 2. And next graph. Next graph of a quadratic equation. Graph of quadratic equation. Quadratic polynomial. Graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. That means these are the structure we have discussed about that structure in class. Discuss about that structure in class 11 as well as 12. These are the parabolic structure. That means that structure is known as parabola. That means there are two types of graph. Represent the quadratic equation. Upper parabola and downward parabola. Upward parabola and downward parabola. That means if a greater than 0, then that condition is favorable. That means parabola in upward direction. And if a below than 0, that means a less than 0, then downward parabola will be obtained. After that, number of zeros of the that means polynomial. If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial, if alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial, then alpha plus beta equals to minus b by a, where b and a are coefficients of terms, and alpha into beta equals to c by a. Clearly, that means these are the some important points related to quadratic polynomial. Stage cubic polynomial. Next is cubic polynomial. That means a standard form of cubic polynomial is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Number of zeros equals to 3. After that, degree of polynomial is also 3. Graph of cubic polynomial intersect x-axis at 3 points. Clear? Next, if alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of polynomial, means cubic polynomial. If alpha, beta and gamma are zeros of polynomial, then first relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma equals to minus b by a. Second is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha equals to c by a. And third is alpha beta gamma equals to minus d by a. These are some relations. These relations are also discussed in when we understand to find the zeros of the cubic polynomial. And last polynomial is biquadratic. Biquadratic polynomial. The standard form of biquadratic polynomial is ax to the power 4 bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e. Number of zeros equals to 4. Degree is also 4. And last, that means graph intersect x-axis at 3 points. 4 points. Intersect x-axis at 4 points. Last is, if suppose if alpha, beta, gamma and theta are zeros of polynomial, that means biquadratic polynomial, then first relation is alpha plus beta plus gamma plus theta equals to minus b by a. Second is alpha beta, beta gamma, gamma theta plus theta alpha equals to c by a. Third is alpha beta gamma plus beta alpha theta plus gamma theta alpha plus last is theta alpha beta equals to minus d by a, equals to minus d by a. And last, that means fourth is alpha beta gamma theta equals to e by a. These are the relation for biquadratic polynomial. In next part we discuss about how we find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial. If you suffer from any problem related to this topic, then you share your problems at our official Telegram, Facebook and Insta channels as well as WhatsApp. अगर अभी तक आप लोगों ने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे, वीडियो को लाइक करेंगे ताकि आपको नया वीडियो मिलते रहे, और साथ ही साथ अगर वीडियो अच्छा है तो उसको वीडियो को शेयर भी करेंगे। धन्यवाद।